you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. It's summertime and tropical drinks are flowing. Well, so to speak. Now, as you remember, earlier today I went to the food pantry and I got these frozen apricot cups. I'm going to show you how you make a wonderful drink, summertime drink, that can be for the kids or for the adults. And it's really simple. So what we're going to do is take these, some apple juice and a little bit of sugar, blend it together, top it with some tahini, and have a summertime drink that you will love. Now, if you want to, you can add some peach schnapps. That's not for the kids. Come on, let me show you how. Okay, we're going to start, get our blender ready. We're going to put in our frozen apricot. I've let it thaw just a little bit so it won't be so hard for the blender to blend it up. I'm going to put enough in here to basically fill up the blender so that I don't want to pack them too tight. Okay, ooh, these look good. Now, I'm going to put in about a 1/4 cup of sugar. You sweeten it to your taste, more or less. Then I'm going to pour in enough apple juice to basically almost cover the apricot. I got a little space down there, so I'm allowing for that. Then blend it up till it's smooth. We've got it blended well. Take the glass of your choice, fancy preferred. Let's top with a little tahini. And if you would like and have some chamoy, and it'll be all on. I'm just using the tahini for right now. Wow. That is really good. Now, you can make this too. Had to adjust the camera. You can make this too. If you want to make it for adults, you can put in some tequila, Patron preferably, or some peach schnapps. But right now, it's just good for the kids. And it's a great summer treat. You put this in a fancy glass and look, it's tropical all summer. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. All right, let's do some more summer treats. Tune in for the next video. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got